Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Celia. So today I'm gonna do a video. I'm gonna do a hair and makeup, or probably I do a makeup or makeup video separate or hair video separate. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But happy New Year's to you. Happy New Year to you guys. Happy 2020. Oh, I can't believe. It's my first voice video I've been making since the year start, and I don't know, 2020 just started rough. But anyway, this video is sponsored by Tinashe Hair Company. They sent me this hair, and this is in 22-inch water wave. And I already did some plucking. I didn't do a lot. For some reason, I don't like when my curly hair is I like when my curly hair is a little bit more thick than a straight hair. So yeah, I like this wig. I don't really like how thick right up in here, like up in here is like, I don't like it. I don't really like it. Could be a little bit thinner, but that's okay. I don't know if I'm gonna make this a glueless wig or I'm gonna glue it on my head or use my pump it up spray as usual. But let me show you the wig. And guys, I shaved my head last month because I had a Britney Spears moment, but hey, I think I'm going natural. Yeah, I'm gonna go natural. So this is what the wig looks like. This is the end of the wig, and this is in the natural state. Actually I washed it and I haven't put anything on it, and it has two like elastic band, and you just hook it like, you know, your bra strap, like when you hook your bra strap. That's how you do it, you just hook it. So usually recently I've been like removing this part of my wig. Like, I don't bring my wig all the way to my flap, especially when it's black, and I can just use my hair to just, I feel like it looks more natural, and when I glue it, it lasts longer because the right here, right at the ear flap, is where it normally starts to lift the first. So I've been cutting off this part of my wig. I can't find my scissors. I literally just have the scissors. Oh, that's right. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut this part of the wig. I'm gonna take it off my head, and then I'm gonna cut it. So this is what it looks like. So I cut the flap off. So now I'm just gonna, I think I'm going to make this glueless. I think so. I'm not sure. I can't find my razor. Normally I would use an eyebrow razor, but I can't find it, so I have to use a scissors, which I don't really like to because it makes this straight line. So I'm supposed to just try and kind of take my time to make like zigzag lines in it. think I'm gonna use my ghost band glue.